Are you spending thousands of euros per day to enforce data governance in your organization? You don't need to. Heal the compliance of your business intelligence assets in minutes instead of days. With ABIS MCP and Claude agents, your data governance is becoming tangible without friction. The agent uses the context graph in ABIS Desktop to navigate the complete data lineage of your reports and cross-checks it against SOPs and rules. Then it will scan the live Microsoft Fabric assets to understand the diff planning to heal. Heal the gap in your report? No problem. ABIS supports Claude agents to execute the compliance healing plan in your Microsoft Fabric dashboard. As user, you just observe the magic happening in real time. Check new assets directly on the refreshed context graph in ABIS Desktop. With good planning, your managed agentic workflows reach an error rate of 0. This is the power of knowledge graphs and AI. Sign up for our webinar newsletter to join our free trainings on Agentic BI.